3 plus square root 64 plus 16 times square root of 12 all under square root. We have to simplify it. Let's try. So 3 plus square root. Now 64 we can write it as 16 times 4 plus 16 times square root of 12 all under square root. This is equal to 3 plus, now this here we can take 16 common. So write 16, then parenthesis 4 plus square root of 12, then all under square root, or 3 plus, this we can write it as square root of 16 times 4 plus square root of 12 under square root, because you see a times b under square root, this is equal to square root of a times square root of b. So here all under square root then, or 3 plus square root of 16 we can write here 4, then times 4 plus square root of 12 under square root, then all under square root. Now to simplify this, which is a nested radical here itself, if we can write these two terms in the form of a plus minus b whole square, then this whole square can remove this square root. So let's try. So 3 plus, then 4 here we can write 3 plus 1, then square root of 12, this is equal to 2 times square root of 3, then all under square root, because square root of 12 it is equal to 4 times 3 under square root, or it is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 3. Square root of 4 is 2, so 2 times square root of 3. Now 3 plus 4 parenthesis, now 3 we can write it as square root of 3 square, because you see a under square root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. When we square it, exponent is multiplied by 2, so this and this can cancelled. So a can be written as square root of a square. So 3 we can write it as square root of 3 square, then plus 1, then plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1 we can write, then all under square root. Now 3 plus 4, if square root of 3 is a and 1 is b, then it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is equal to a plus b whole square. So we can write it as square root of 3 plus 1 whole square under square root. Now we can remove the square root. Now we can remove this square root with this square. Now this is 3 plus 4 times square root of 3 plus 1 under square root, or it is equal to 3 plus 4 times square root of 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So 7 plus 4 times square root of 3 under square root. Again, if we can write these two numbers in terms of a plus minus b whole square to remove the square root. So 7 we can write it as 4 plus 3, then 4 we can write 2 times square root of 3 under square root. Now 4 we can write 2 square plus 3 as square root of 3 square, then plus 2 times square root of 3 under square root. Again 2 is a, then it is a square, and square root of 3 is b, then it is b square plus 2ab. So this will be 2 plus square root of 3 whole square under square root. Now remove the square root with this square. So this is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. This is how it is solved. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. So this we can write 2 plus square root of 3. Thanks for watching.